Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we're continuing on with Sample Exam 2, Project 2. As always, you can get your files from the Office Master 19 YouTube channel. Today the file we're working on is tools.xlsx spreadsheet. So I have the file open there now. So starting with question 1, copy the values only from cell ranges C3 to C7 to C11 to C15 using the paste special feature. So I need to click into cell C3, highlight down from C3 to C7. I need to click on copy. I now need to highlight from C11 to C15. Now I need to click on my drop down arrow and paste. Now it's very important, you need to click on the drop down arrow, go to paste values. So we want to paste the values only. And you notice if when I click on paste, that's now pasted them, and I now press the escape key. So it's now copied the values. This had a border around it, so when I copy and paste using paste special with the values only, it only copies the numbers, okay? There's no border here, okay? Okay, question 2 then is to change the orientation of cell A1 so that it's angled counterclockwise. So click into cell A1, click on our drop down arrow there on orientation, and we select angle counterclockwise. Okay, now the next question then is to delete columns D and E. So highlight D and E, you go to delete, you go to delete sheet columns. Right, the next question then is to copy the formatting from cell A2 to A10. So I click into A2, I click on Format Painter, and then I click on A10. And now I'm going to press escape, and you can now see that that's formatting is copied. The final question then is we have to apply the currency formatting with no decimal places to B3 to B7. So I click on my grey dialog box for number, I click on currency, and we want no decimal places. So I change that down to 0 and I click OK, and that's no decimal places. So that's brilliant. That's Sample Exam 2, Project 2 completed. And we will see you shortly for Sample Exam 2, Project 3. And as always, thanks for watching and take care, and thanks a million.